Hey guys, just a little update on the Land Cruiser. I have made it this far. I'm getting there. Everything has come apart fairly easy. Now that I see this frame like this, I definitely need to paint it. See, I won't do a full body off restoration or anything, but I will definitely paint far as I can and get rid of this damn rust. I'll do the differentials and suspension, I don't know, maybe this summer or next winter I'll do the differentials. And got the driver's seat out. The floor under here isn't too bad right here, but terrible right here. But she's coming along nicely. Take out all this stuff right here, and then get to the shifter, and then I'll do the heater here, and yeah, go from there.